Hi students, in the previous class we learnt some problems. So today I told you one formula in the previous class, that is a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You remember this? From this, what did I tell you? A cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square, if you have that, we can write directly as a plus b. Similarly, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That can be a cube minus b cube by a square plus ab plus b square equal to a minus b. So based on these concepts, let us see some problems today. Okay? First problem, evaluate. First problem, evaluate 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 upon 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. So this we have to calculate. So usually to calculate this it takes more time, but by using that identity it is very easy. So what is our given actually? 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 3 times repeating. So 0.8 whole cube can I write? Plus this can I write 0.5 whole cube? 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, 0.5 whole cube by 0.8 into 0.8, 0.8 whole square, 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5, 0.5 whole square. Now which formula it is? Right, first formula, right? A cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square can be a plus b. So here, what is the value of a? 0.8, b 0.5, right? So I can write directly a plus b. So 0.8 plus 0.5. How much? 1.3. So therefore answer is 1.3. Under since step you should write this. Okay, this formula you should write. Clear? Easy now? So we will see one more problem. So you should understand the formula. 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. It looks like C. What is the form of that given problem? See there, this can be written as 1.2 into 1.2, 1.2 whole square plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 whole square upon 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, 1.2 whole cube 0.3 whole cube. Clearly A value 1.2, B value how much? 0.3. First you try to understand that. Now which form it is? Observe the second one. It is the just reciprocal of this form. What is the reciprocal of this form? A square plus AB plus B square upon A cube minus B cube, right? It will be 1 by A minus B, right? So if it is this form A minus B, I have reciprocal, so 1 by A minus B. 1 by A value 1.2 minus B value 0.3. So 1 by, how much you will get? 1.2, 0.3. 12 minus 3, 9, 0. So 0.9. If you want to simplify this, 10 by 10 you can write. So this will be 10 by 9. Answer is 10 by 9. Okay? So therefore answer is 10 by 9. Clear? So you should understand the identity there. Next one. Evaluate 173 into 173 into 173 plus 127 into 127 into 127 upon 173 into 173 minus 173 into 127 plus 127 into 127. How do we calculate this? Look at the problem. Solution. Given can be written as 173, 173, 173. So 173 whole cube plus 127, 127, 127, 127 whole cube upon 173 whole square, 173 into 127 plus 127 whole square. Okay, what is the form of that? First one, right? What is the first formula? A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square can be A plus B. That form only, no? So where A value 173, B value 127. Okay, so what is the formula? A plus B. So 173 plus 127. How much? 300. Therefore answer is 300. Okay. Next. Next one. 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 upon 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.2 plus 0.2 into 0.2. Okay? What is that form now? Solution. What is given? One point two means 1.2 whole cube. This also 0.2 whole cube upon 1.2 into 1.2 whole square, 1.2 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. What is the form here? Here A value 1.2, B value 0.2, right? Okay, it looks like second formula. a cube minus b cube upon a square plus ab plus b square can be a minus b. So it looks like that formula. So a minus b means 1.2 minus 0.2 means 1.0. 1.0 is nothing but 1, right? So therefore answer is 1. Okay? You will see one more problem. Fifth problem. Evaluate 0.87 into 0.87 into 0.87 plus 0.13 into 0.13 into 0.13 0.87 into 0.87 minus 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 into 0.13. Right? What is the advantage of formula here? Because to calculate 0.87, 0.87, 0.87 it takes more time because it is lengthy, too lengthy. By using this formula it is very easy to calculate, right? So it is clearly understood what is the form of this. So usual multiplication takes more time. So it is shortcut. 0.87 whole cube, 0.13 whole cube upon 0.87 whole square, 0.87 into 0.13 plus 0.13 whole square. Here what is the value of A? 0.87, B value 0.13. Okay. So what is the form of this? First one again. What is the first formula? A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square can be A plus B. Right? So what is my answer here? A plus B. 0.87 plus 0.13. 1.00, right? So that means 1. So answer is 1. Okay? So that is the end of solution. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.